I came to know that there is a weekend street market, and since today is the Sunday, I think it's the best time to visit that market. It's about 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and I think the market closes by 6 p.m. So I'm going to hit the market first, and let's see what's there in the market. Hey guys, unfortunately I couldn't find the Tbilisi weekend street market. I am at the exact location as per Google where the market should be, but there's nothing around. No worries, I'll continue my journey. The next stop on my list was Narikala Fort, so let's go there now. Hey guys, after a short hike, I've reached Narikala Fort. From the Liberty Square, Narikala Fort is about 15 to 20 minutes of walking distance. It's quite steep, so it's not exactly a straight road, but it's manageable. It can be done within 20 minutes. The other way is via Reich Park. I think there is a park on the other side of the Kura river. From there, you can take a cable car which will directly land you at Narikala Fort's entrance. So there are two ways. Maybe while going down, I'll experience the cable car. Hey guys, so this is the Meidan Bazaar. Uh, it's located at the base of the Narikala Fort, and it has a lot of Georgian artifacts. Along with it, it has a lot of souvenirs. If you want to purchase wine, then it has a huge collection of wines, and overall, it's an absolutely fantastic market, and one market that I feel that you should definitely visit, because this is not some touristy market which I feel. It is genuinely, it feels like it's authentic Georgian market. They have different types of teas. They also have different types of chocolates. Have a variety of spices as well, Georgian spices. So guys, that was the Meidan Bazaar, and definitely, like I said, this is one market that you should definitely visit in Tbilisi. Definitely it's a place where you will find all the historical Georgian artifacts, that's for sure. So guys, the bridge that you see behind me, that is the Bridge of Peace. And just near the Bridge of Peace, there is a group called as the Tours in Georgia. They organize a boat tour. The boat tour is for 30 lari, and they take it 2 kilometers downstream, then 3 kilometers upstream, and they just show you all the, beautiful sights of Georgia, but via a boat tour. And the tour lasts for say 30 minutes. I didn't know about this tour. I just came to know. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how it feels. That was the boat tour. The boat operates in the Kura river. The time limit is about 30 minutes. It was a really cool experience, but at the same time it depends on the weather. If it is raining too heavily, then no point in going in the boat tour. But apart from that, it's a fun experience, it's a different experience, and I would highly recommend it. Today was my first full day in Tbilisi, and I did a lot of sightseeing. It was an awesome day. It was raining a bit in the middle, but overall it was still fantastic. The weather held up. I did not see the sun for the entire day, but yeah, overall I would say awesome. I hope you find value in this video, and I hope it helps you in gaining insights into travel within Georgia and specifically within Tbilisi. If you have any feedback for me, please do mention in the comments below. If you have any questions related to travel or itinerary in general, then please mention in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you had a wonderful day. I wish you Godspeed, and thank you for watching.